let's see how much chaos we can put into one shirt with different ideas. 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It is inside out. It has been marked down the center line, making it symmetrical. You could argue to make it less chaotic, but I generally like designs that are symmetrical, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, then we're going to do a glitch style setup. I haven't ever seen a symmetrical glitch. It's not actually going to be a glitch, but we're going to do that style of fold. Okay, come here. Okay, let's go ahead and fold these. If you're not sure what I'm doing, I'll try to remember to put some glitch videos as a reference as far as how the folding works. Okay, that is done. We're just doing that singular glitch part, that first accordion set, because I think if it's any further it would be way more difficult. I think the whole shirt would have to be done. Anyway, that probably didn't make sense. It did in my head though. I'm going to go ahead and roll this. I'm rolling it tight. If I get any wrinkles, it's fine. Wrinkles are adding dimension to the design. Okay, I'm going to stop right here real quick. I'm going to drop a rubber band there and probably one down here because that would likely not be touched with this part. So just hold that into place. Okay, just to hold that in place. Now I was thinking I was going to spiral this, but I don't have enough left to do that. Get rid of some of this. Yeah, I don't have enough shirt to do what I was thinking I was going to do. I just fold it in half. I don't think folding it in half is going to work either. This might be it. I was thinking it was going to be way more chaotic than that. I guess we will not be calling this the chaos shirt. Alright, I'm going to add some rubber bands just to make this stuff hold together. I don't know, I feel like there should be more to this than this. I guess comments down below if you think there was something else that could have been done. That doesn't look very chaotic. I know I keep saying that, but I keep thinking, maybe there is something more chaotic in here. I'm not seeing it. Alright, off to dye. I'm going to go with the single color. This is what Dharma is showing it looks like. Not sure what that's showing up on the video, but it's pretty cool looking. There's like pinks and blues and violets, maybe a little orange, lighter blues, all kinds of stuff in there. It's Wedgwood Blue. So I'm going to do it as a single color. So we're going to throw some ice on, throw the dye on, and let things happen. See, I was originally going to do this as like a truly chaotic thing, but that's not, I mean, I guess you could say that's a chaotic color, but not compared to what I was going to do. So, here we go. Quick and easy. We'll let it go ahead and melt through and then take a look. It's been a couple of days, so let's go ahead and rinse this out. Here we have the front and the back. Alright, if you've watched me before, you know what I'm going to say. There's a whole lot of white in here. I wasn't expecting that. I guess it didn't go through far enough. Otherwise, I don't know, it gives off X-ray vibes or something. It's kind of cool looking. It's not what I would do intentionally because of all the white. And I think I'll try another one of these slightly differently. Maybe do more of the glitch pattern and then do a roll. Maybe that's an idea. I don't know. We'll see. What are your thoughts on this or anything else you might like to see? Let me know down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.